What if consciousness is not just a product of the brain but the fundamental reality of the universe? Could our very awareness be the building block of all existence? Welcome to an exploration of one of the most profound questions in science and philosophy. Consciousness, the fundamental reality. The idea that consciousness is fundamental to the universe can be intertwined with the simulation theory. Imagine our universe as a highly sophisticated simulation, where consciousness is the driving force behind its creation and maintenance. This theory suggests that our reality, with all its complexities and nuances, could be a product of a conscious mind or a collective consciousness. The simulation theory posits that our universe operates like an advanced computer simulation. At the heart of this idea is the notion that consciousness, rather than matter, is the fundamental substance of the universe. This aligns with philosophical perspectives like Panpsychism, which suggests that consciousness is a universal feature of all things. To grasp this concept, let's consider a few analogies. Think about a video game where the entire world is generated by a computer program, yet feels real to the characters within it. Similarly, our universe could be a complex simulation, where our consciousness experiences reality through the interface of our senses. Another compelling example is lucid dreaming, where the dreamer becomes aware of the dream state, shaping and experiencing a world created by their own mind. In this analogy, the dream represents the simulated universe, and the lucid dreamer's consciousness is the driving force behind its existence. Consider also the famous philosophical thought experiment known as brain in a vat. It questions whether we can know if our perceptions of the world are real or artificially created by a supercomputer stimulating our brain. This experiment echoes the idea that our consciousness might be experiencing a simulated reality. Moreover, the holographic principle in physics suggests that our three-dimensional reality might be a projection of information stored on a two-dimensional surface. If true, this implies that what we perceive as physical reality is a manifestation of underlying information, much like how consciousness could be the underlying essence of the universe. To better understand these concepts, let's visualize them. Picture a network of interconnected nodes, each representing a conscious entity. These nodes communicate and influence each other, creating a vast, dynamic web of reality. Now imagine zooming out to see this network as the fabric of the universe, with consciousness as its underlying essence. While the idea of consciousness as the fundamental reality is compelling, it's important to consider different perspectives. Some scientists argue that consciousness arises from complex neural processes within the brain, while others believe it exists independently. One perspective is the integrated information theory, which suggests that consciousness is a product of the amount of integrated information in a system. According to IIT, the more information a system can integrate, the higher its level of consciousness. This theory provides a framework for understanding how consciousness might emerge from physical processes, yet it also hints at the fundamental nature of information in creating conscious experience. Another intriguing perspective comes from quantum consciousness theories. Proposed by physicist Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff, these theories suggest that quantum processes within microtubules in the brain might give rise to consciousness. According to Penrose and Hameroff, the non-local nature of quantum mechanics could explain the holistic and unified experience of consciousness, suggesting a deep connection between quantum phenomena and conscious awareness. Additionally, Eastern philosophical traditions such as Advaita Vedanta propose that consciousness is the ultimate reality and the foundation of all existence. According to this perspective, individual consciousness is a manifestation of a universal consciousness, and realizing this fundamental unity is the key to understanding the true nature of reality. Moreover, the concept of panpsychism, which posits that consciousness is a universal and intrinsic aspect of all matter, challenges the conventional view that consciousness arises solely from complex neural processes. Proponents of panpsychism argue that even the most basic particles possess a form of consciousness, and that human consciousness is simply a more complex expression of this universal trait. Let's break these ideas down further. IIT posits that the level of consciousness is determined by the amount of integrated information in a system. In contrast, quantum consciousness theories like those proposed by Roger Penrose and Stuart Hameroff suggest that quantum processes within microtubules in the brain could give rise to consciousness. These theories highlight the potential for consciousness to be both a fundamental and emergent property of the universe. What do you think? Is consciousness the fundamental reality of the universe, or is it merely a byproduct of complex neural processes? Share your thoughts, insights, and interpretations in the comments below. Let's engage in this fascinating exploration together. In the end, the question of whether consciousness is the fundamental reality invites us to reflect on the very nature of existence. It challenges us to reconsider our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Could it be that our awareness is not just a part of the universe, but the essence of it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content on the mysteries of the universe.